Oh, there you guys are. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the vlog. Today we're going to be switching over most of the lights on the Mazda from just the normal stock ones over to LEDs, make everything a little bit brighter. The first stuff that came in were these highs. I got highs and lows LEDs for the headlights. They are, it's an eBay brand, they're called Iron Wall. They're supposed to be retardedly bright, so we'll see. Should be really nice. So we get those installed. I already unpacked this, but I had this in my last car. It's just underglow kit for the dash. I really liked it in the last car that I had, so I bought another one for this one. There's like 7 or 8 different colors that this can do and a bunch of different patterns, so it's pretty fun, a little something extra. And then on the inside I have colored LEDs for the dome lights, so we'll switch those over. Dome lights were really dull, so we'll do that as well. So let's get started. Alright, so up first, let's change over to LED headlights. So let's get that started. So what I decided to go with, still pretty cheap, but the ratings on them are really good. All the reviews on them are good as well. So I got what is apparently called Iron Wall LEDs. I got them off of eBay. If you guys are interested, I'll link them down below. Yeah, so let's go ahead and switch over. Let's do half and we'll do a little comparison and see the difference. So let's get to that. Okay, so on the Mazda, it's pretty nice. They're pretty separated. Highs are down low. Low beams are on top. The 2010 Mazda 3 runs an H11 for a low beam and a 9005 for the high beam. So there's the low bulb. Let's unplug the wire harness. There's a little latch on the back of it. You just press down and pull out. Twist it and pull that one out. So there's the high beam. So you guys can see, packaged pretty nicely in their own little individual cutouts and everything. That'll be your high beam. So it'll be the lower one. Twist to lock into place. Plug it back in. Grab the other box. It's the same thing. This one will just be marked H11 for your low beams. So go ahead and slide that one in, twist it into place, and connect. So once you have them connected, let's test them, make sure they're plugged in the right way, and then let's check out the difference. Way better. Stock, nasty yellowness. LEDs, super bright. I don't know if you guys can hear or not, but the noise you hear is the fans right here on each of them. So it helps keep them cool. So now that we know that works, let's go ahead and change the other side. Let's see if this works. Look at that, YouTube magic. So now the headlights are done, let's work our way inside the car and switch out the dome lights now. Oh, what is that? That is a wild corgi. Look at that, so majestic. For some reason eating dandelions. Anyways, let's get back to this. So like I was saying, let's go ahead and get rid of these nasty yellow lights and replace them with these. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and shut the lights off. That way they can cool down before you handle them. So what you're going to want is like a little baby flathead screwdriver, and there's little indents or insertion points, I should say, on the bottom right here and here. Take your flathead screwdriver, get it up in there, just pop it, pull it out. so that way the back clips can unhook. Go ahead and do it from the other side. On the back will be on the front towards the driver. It'll be the same thing. Go ahead and stick your screwdriver in that little hole. And it'll come right out and it lets you have access to the bulbs. Let's go ahead and change over to LEDs. All right, so now we have our lights in. So let's go ahead and double check to make sure everything works before we put the covers back on. With these, you have to double check. They're not marked plus or minus, but they are directional. So if you put it in and it doesn't come on, just pull it out, turn it around and put it back in and check it, and it should work. So as you can see here, both the fronts work. I chose to go with red, and same as back here, and that works. So let's go ahead and throw these covers back on and we'll be done in here. Just like that, should be your finished product. Everything's put back together and should look really great. This is kind of something a little different as to the car. So now that that's done, let's see if we can get started on this underglow now. All right, so now let's see how far we can get with the underglow over here. This kit's pretty simple. It's made by, I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but it's made by LED Glow. I just ordered it off of eBay. It was about, I think it was $40. I can't quite remember. Everything is already pre-wired up and everything like that. All you have to do is just wire in a ground and a power source. Usually what I like to do is obviously find your grounding screw. It should be up under here on this wall, under the dash. And then usually what I like to do is take a fuse jumper and jump it from the fuse box so you have constant power, but it's good power. So let's go ahead and get this untangled and laid out and see exactly where we want to put everything and go from there. Oh, Doug, what are you doing, puppers? Who's a good boy? All right, let's see if I can show you guys here. So yeah, like I was saying, I finally got all the underglow installed. I really like it. Came out really well. As you can see, we got both passenger and driver. And again, it looks like Oakley's really liking it. So what I did was I had to run a jump fuse. So right here, I just pulled out the fuse that would have been for my mirrors, power mirrors, and put 2 tins in there instead of 1. Plug that in and it runs power to the underglow and it runs power to your mirror, so your mirror still works. So that's really nice. So here is a little converter box. This controls all the power. You can set it up to run sound. You can change the colors if you want. There's like 15 different options. Strobe and changing colors. Really simplistic, really nice. But I'm just gonna run red for right now so it matches with everything. And you're gonna make yourself a home there, Oaks? What are you doing? I'm gonna have to clean the car again. Filthy dog. So anyways, there's 4 LED tubes in total. So I have one up under the dash here, one under the seat, and then same on the other side, I have one under the dash and one under the seat. I found out on the Mazda that this little panel here, you can just pull like this, and then pull it out. As you can see, I was able to hide all the wires. So yeah, so anyways, I ran the 2 all the way, or the 2 for the other side, all the way back underneath the dash, up by the firewall to the other side. The same thing, there'll be another trim piece on the other side that I was able to get rid of, or pull. There'll be another trim piece on the other side that I was able to pull and move everything around. And then just comes out on the other side real clean. You don't see any wires here. That was just for the radar detector. Yeah, I don't see any wires there. The one on this side was pretty tricky. I did find out there's this useless trim that they have there, and it just pops out. There's two little tabs top on that side and that side, and then I'm just gonna throw this away. It serves no purpose. It's just an over-engineered trim piece that they thought they should add. So just threw that away and then zip tied it up under right behind the glove box. So everything's in and ran. So yeah. Hope you like this short little video. That's all I'm gonna do for right now. So hope this helped you guys out. Maybe gave you guys some ideas and things like that. So I'm gonna end it here. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one. Like always, like, comment, and subscribe.